Let's Dobby.
This is a very small selfie drone. It can even be charged by a power bank. It weighs only 199 grams, 0.4 millimeters thick. Also reduced the core board by 90%. Small means this is a selfie drone that can be put into your pocket. You only need 5 minutes and you can become a drone expert. Use the app on your cell phone to make it fly. When it takes off on your phone, it's Dobby. And you can do this, and you can do that. Voice manipulated. Tap to take off. Wow! Also toss it to fly. It is very small, but it resists the wind. It flies freely both indoors and outdoors. And it can even hover inside. So you can take clear selfies in different scenes. The picture is so vivid. Real-time mode, continuous mode, time-delayed mode, and appearance advanced mode. Of course, it has excellent performance on video shooting too. You can easily control it all through your cell phone. So, those photos are synchronized to your cell phone photo album in real time. One key to share to your favorite social media. The power of regular drones and the power of Dobby to go beyond that. Well, it is small, but not too small to carry gifts to bring surprises to loved ones. It can show off, one-click rolling. Dobby can fly by gesture control. It detects and tracks your face. It can automatically follow moving objects. Even if you shake it unintentionally, it automatically adjusts to stable shooting. Unprecedented cool experience, all integrated in this palm-sized pocket Dobby. This is the future in your hands. Another interesting function is automatic trajectory video shooting, which is used in classical movies. Yes, this is Dobby, a portable selfie drone that allows you unlimited creativity. Let Dobby shine your life.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
I'm going to show you something incredible. It is a fascinating and immersive flying experience. It is a drone without remote control. Simplify your feeling and tilt your phone to control position and direction. If you want to fly forward, just tilt forward. Hold your phone flat and the drone will remain in that exact position using advanced satellite and sensor technology. For this reason, we have named our flagship flight mode Avatar.
Flying the Ghost drone is super easy because all you have to do is just tilt your smartphone to control it. A lot of times remote controls can be tricky and hard to use and you're not sure which way to move the sticks.
As for controlling the gimbal, it doesn't use dials on the remote controller anymore. It has been integrated with VR goggles. Looking up and down, what you see is what you get. From takeoff to waypoint, from orbit mode to selfie mode, even those maneuvers that take two operators with remote control, all these functions have been integrated into eHand Play app. What's more, you can download the videos and pictures from the 4K spherical camera through Wi-Fi and share them to your social media. Also, you can keep your stories of flying in flight records and flight rankings. Similar to driving cars, some people prefer a manual transmission and other automatic. We like to think of Ghost Drone as an automatic transmission flying experience, making it safe and convenient for anyone to fly with zero experience required.
Phantom 3 is a remote-controlled quadcopter with a camera mounted to it. In presenting such an innovative device to the world, our key goal was to remove any and all challenges that someone might face when flying for the very first time.
The Phantom 3 boasts an upgraded GPS system on board, which provides pinpoint location accuracy. What that means is that your Phantom always knows exactly where it is, even if you don't. Any obstacle that might hamper controllability can rely on the intelligence of the Phantom 3 to never become disoriented or lost. It makes flying completely effortless, and it will always come home.
Return to home increases confidence while flying by always having a safeguard option at your fingertips, precisely when you might need it. Even if the Phantom flies out of the range of the controller, Return to Home initiates automatically to bring the quadcopter back to you safely and easily. The flight control itself has always been designed from the ground up to be intuitive and accessible. From the ergonomic grips, you can record and play back video, toggle flight controls, control the camera gimbal, and adjust exposure, all with a flick of your fingertip.
One of the most exciting new features of the Phantom 3 is the new integrated vision positioning system. Using a trio of small sensors, the Phantom 3 accurately tracks the ground underneath it. The Phantom can both hover and fly low to the ground, and even fly indoors, which expands its uses and capabilities exponentially and gives artists much more creative space than ever thought possible.
The visuals created by the professional version of the Phantom 3 are realized via an ultra-high definition 4K camera which records crystal clear, beautiful video as well as 12 megapixel still photos. We've built our camera from the ground up using the highest quality aluminum pulled from the crust of the Earth itself because of its inherent lightweight quality, its propensity for strength, and its resistance to corrosion. The ability to capture high-quality images doesn't stop at the camera. The 3-axis gimbal works alongside the camera to both keep it securely fastened to the Phantom as well as provide stabilization no matter what the flight conditions are or how actively the Phantom is moving. This guarantees stunning footage with stable, smooth movement.
We're also introducing a new app designed to accommodate anyone. The app has been automated for a more casual experience, and the Phantom 3 can now take off and land with a simple press of an on-screen button. All of this complements the app's new Live HD view powered by Lightbridge. The Phantom's camera feed is transmitted to your tablet at great distances in an eye-popping 720p real-time stream.
Director is a new video editor that makes the process of assembling a stunning video montage a breeze by auto-editing all of your favorite scenes from a recent flight. It even adds the perfect music. Along with the editor,